For this hairstyle, we're going to be looking at how to create a low twisted bun. We're going to start off with our hair in a center part. As you can see here, it's parted right down the middle. And we're going to create a low ponytail. You're only going to need 2 elastics and a bunch of bobby pins. So you're going to gather all of your hair at the nape of your neck and secure it with a large elastic. And I'm using a very brightly colored hair elastic to show you where all of the pieces go, but you can probably use a hair elastic that is the same color as your hair. So you're going to make a low ponytail and then pull the end halfway through but not completely, and that's going to create your little bun. And then you're going to take the other hair tie, perhaps a small clear elastic, and you're going to tie that around the end of the little extra ponytail that you've made. And then once that's created, you're going to take that hair and separate it down the middle and twist the hair inside of itself to create 2 little twists. And then once you have that hole, you're going to twist it over and secure it and feed the bun through that little hole so that the elastic is underneath the bun. You might have a little bit of extra hair and you can maybe create 2 twists, but you're going to take whatever hair you have left over and you're going to just tie it around the base of the bun and kind of hide that little tail away with extra bobby pins. And here you can use as many bobby pins as you want to make your hairstyle feel the most secure. So I'm just going to use a bunch of bobby pins here. It's personal preference how many. We're just going to finish up adding our extra bobby pins wherever we feel like it. And then once we're done, I did a shake test to show you how sturdy the hairstyle is. It's not going anywhere. And there's a view from the side. If you have more hair or a bigger bun, your hair might not stick out in this manner, but my mannequin's hair is a little bit shorter. So there is the final product.